Hi, this video will explain how to update your migrated course with some pre-built introductory modules that the Distance Education Department has provided. You may remember in Blackboard there was an Intro to Online Learning module that had some introductions that were specific to Blackboard. Once your course was migrated, that information is no longer valid or useful, so we've put together a replacement. You can find this information in the Online Faculty Resource Center in the Content area under the Video Tutorials, and it's called Copy DL Intro Modules. And this video essentially repeats what's here in this written example. So the three steps to this are to download the intro module package that we've prepared, delete any old introductory module content from your migrated course, and import the new module. So the first step while we're here is to download the DL intro module. Click on that and it'll download probably to your downloads folder. Then you'll go to your course, and I'm using your migrated course as the example here. Go to the content area and locate that old Intro to Online Learning module. Since all the information in this is out of date and no longer refers to information that's used for this course, we're just going to delete the entire module here. So check the box next to that and hit the delete button. Now, to import the content, you'll actually go to the Edit Course and then go down to Import, Export, Copy Components. Click the radio button next to Import Components, and then browse or choose a file and locate that module that you had downloaded. Then click the Next button, and Desire to Learn will check to make sure that that package is usable. If you see the green check mark, click Next. And you'll have a choice to import specific components or the entire package. I'm going to actually use the entire package and copy all components. The content includes that introductory orientation, some sample syllabus, calendar, instructor introduction, and other files, a sample quiz, a survey, and an introductory discussion. If you don't want all those components, you can uncheck those as well. Click Next. Confirm that what is being imported is actually what you want imported, and then click Next again. Once it's done, you can click Next one more time and it'll let you know that the import was successful. Now you can return to the content area and you'll see that it's actually imported at the bottom of your list of content. So because we want that to be front and center, I'm actually going to go to Reorder at the top and then choose Intro to Online Learning as the number 1 item and Course Information as the number 2 item, and these will update in the respective order. Click Save, and now that intro and course information are at the top of your content. The Intro to Online Learning is actually a link to a single file that distance learning updates periodically. So if some major piece of support or information changes, we only have to update that file once instead of 3,000 times. The course information is actually content that would be for you for your course, so things like the instructor info or introduction, a syllabus, a sample calendar, a sample intro quiz, citations, etc. And each of these items can be used by you or removed if you already have a syllabus and calendar in your course. In my case, I already have a syllabus and I'm using the calendar tool, so I'm going to remove those items. And the conclusion and intro I've included in my own syllabus file, so I'm going to remove those as well. So now we have an updated course. The introductory content makes sense in the context of your Desire to Learn course, and you're ready to go.